Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Day and I am a mum to two beautiful boys, Idris, who is 4, and Jibril, who is going to be 2 in August. I share videos on life as a stay-at-home mum, from cooking to cleaning to looking after the kids to homeschooling, all that jazz we do over here, plus self-care for mums, very important. And that's basically what you'll be seeing all across this channel. In today's video, I'm here to talk about time-saving hacks for busy mums. Well, mums are always busy, but these are time-saving hacks that have worked for me over the years. As you know, laundry is never ending, so I do laundry every other day and it keeps the laundry load down. On your washing machine, you should have a timer. Use that timer wisely. I'm not sure if all washing machines have timers, but if yours has a timer, it can say delayed timer or a timer. Use it to your advantage. So what I do is, in the evening when the kids have gone to bed, I would have already taken out the dirty laundry that I needed to put in. I'll put everything in, load it, close it, put the timer on. By the time you wake up, your first set of laundry is already done. So for example, if it's your laundry day and you're wanting to put 3 loads of laundry in, by the time you wake up to even start your day, the first laundry has been sorted. How convenient is that? So all you need to do is put second load in and third load in, because of you have prepped yourself the night before. You are ahead of the game. All you need to do is hang your laundry dry. Right now the weather is absolutely beautiful. Hang it out on the line, and by the time you know it, the second load is finished, third load is finished. It'd be like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, all your laundry is done. I guarantee you. Don't worry, you'll be commenting back and you'll be like, hey, that advice was like that. Let's talk about uniforms. Prepping, you will hear me say a lot of prepping. Prepping is life at its best. Prep everything that you can. So uniforms, I would normally prep. My son goes to school, Idris, so if you've got children that go to school, prep the uniforms beforehand, the night before, evening before. Prep all the uniforms, take out the shoes, the socks, the underwear, the vests. Make sure the uniforms are all correct. Pack the bags, make sure that their storybooks or the reading books or whatever it is, their homework's all packed in the bag. Each and every single one of the children would have all of their bags and uniforms sorted, shoes cleaned, polished, all of that, set it out, so that when you wake up in the morning, it gives you that extra allowance of time for you to be able to just, things are there, things are already done, and you don't have to waste that 3-4 minutes of your time trying to faff about, trying to find out, okay, where's the sock? Cuts down the time so much. And I know these 2-3 minutes that you are looking at and thinking, well, it's just only 2-3 minutes, they can accumulate, and by the time you know it, it's already late for you to go for your school run. So that is one important one. Always works all the time. Another one to say is meal preps. Meal prep has been saving my life. I need something of a beam to come down and take. For example, before your school runs, you know that as soon as you bring your children home or your child home, they'll probably be hungry. If you meal prep beforehand, before picking them up, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, this would be ideal for you to be prepping maybe an hour before you go and pick them up. If you're a working mom, you can prep that the night before, put it in a lunchbox, so that as soon as you pick them up from school, all you need to do is remove what you have already prepped for them. What you would need to add to it will be bits and bobs, which will take you less than 2 minutes. Another one is packing your baby bag or toddler bag night before. If you know that tomorrow morning we're setting out early, or tomorrow morning we're going to the park, or whatever activities you have the next day, what you would do is pack everything you need the night before. If it's snacks, pack the dry snacks and put it in. If it's snacks that are going to be needing to be cold, sort the snacks out, cut it up, put it in the fridge. All the things that you would need, extra nappies, put everything in that you will need for that day trip that you are going to. Less hassle, there's less stress. All you need to do is put your cold stuff in and grab your bag and go. Waking up before your kids. Whoo! I'm not an early riser. I have learned to be an early morning person, an early riser, because I have adapted this new lifestyle. Yes, it is a lifestyle that you have to adapt, of waking up before my kids. And let me tell you, this is life changing. Waking up before your kids enables you to have a moment for yourself, As soon as your children wake up, they are demanding a lot of your attention. By the time that your children wake up in the morning, you would have got everything ready for them. If it's breakfast, you would have already started prepping for breakfast. Again, our days as moms can be very hectic, very busy, so you need that calm before you start your day. So definitely waking up early, you're set, you're ready, you just feel like you are more centered and ready to tackle whatever comes your way during the day. Short bursts of cleaning. So you don't want to spend hours cleaning, especially if you've got a toddler at home. For example, I have my nearly 2-year-old toddler at home. I can't spend 30 minutes cleaning because he needs my attention. So what I do is, for example, after breakfast, he has had his breakfast, he's happy, he's watching a little bit of telly. I know I've got maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I am rushing and I put that, and I'm on speed. I try and get as much done. When that 15 minutes is up, I leave whatever I was doing at that moment in time and I go and attend to my son. Try and use it to your advantage, because this as well will also help you to be on top of your cleaning, on top of your home, because gathering these mess or gathering these things that you have left behind and you'll be like, oh, I'll do it later, they will accumulate, and which will cause you overwhelming stress, and we don't want that for you. We want you to be in a good mood and we want you to thrive exactly where you are as a mother. Set yourself alarms so that you can keep on top of the schedule. At times, even myself, I forget the time. I'm not really concentrating on the time. So when I have these alarms on or these reminders on, it helps me stay on track for the rest of the day. Cutting down browsing on the internet. Social media takes so much of your time, from when you start scrolling to liking this picture to watching this TikTok. It just consumes so much of your time in a very quick way as well. You're like, wait a minute, where does the time go? But you don't realize, because you're obviously getting entertained, you're enjoying what you're seeing, which is amazing as well. But cut down your browsing time on social media, because it is taking so much of your important time. These times are very, very important. Another thing is, get your children to help you. If you want to stay on top of home chores and all of this, get your children to help you to do the chores. Like I said, I have a 4-year-old and a nearly 2-year-old. I still get them involved. When it comes to tidying up their toys, they tidy up their toys. When it comes to putting their plates in the sink once they finish eating, they do that. So they have chores obviously that are suitable for their age, but I get help from them. Also, I get help from my husband. So it's all about getting the people around you to help you, because at the end of the day, you can't do it all on your own, and if you do, you're going to end up being overly exhausted and you're not going to be the best version of yourself or the best mother. This is a family, and together we help each other out so that all of our lives could be easier. Another one for the busy moms is, if you're someone who's into self-development like I am, and learning and educating yourself, or just reading for leisure, then audiobooks are the one for you. You can listen to audiobooks when you're in the kitchen cleaning, when you're cooking, when you are going for the school run. You can listen to audiobooks and enjoy and learn and educate yourself as you go on with your daily life. So I hope that this video is helpful for you to be able to have these time-saving habits. So take what you need from this video and make it work for you and your family. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can also hit that notification bell so that next time when I post a video, you'll be the first one to know that Nde has posted a video, and you can come back. Like I said, we're family now. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.